Hi and welcome. In this quick video I'll show you how you can hide your caller ID when you make a phone call. So when someone receives your call they won't see your phone number. So it's quick and easy, let's do it now. What we'll do is go to settings, then scroll down the list and keep going until you see phone. Within phone, just have a look down the list again and you will see show my caller ID. And right here you have a toggle switch which when it eventually comes to life I'll be able to toggle off, and if I make a phone call now it won't show my caller ID. So hopefully you found that useful. If you have, really appreciate if you can give the video a quick thumbs up and just leave a little note just to say it worked. Thanks very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.